Hey, what's up everybody? I just finished creating the 5-day dumbbell workout series that you can do right at home, and here's how I want you to use it to build muscle, burn fat, and get fitter every single week. So the program has 5 days. On Mondays, it's an upper body push, so chest and triceps. On Tuesday, we're hitting our back and biceps with an upper body pull. On Wednesday, we're doing legs. Thursday is back to upper body, but on Thursday we're going to do chest and back. And then the last day of the week, whether it's Friday or Saturday, it's a HIIT finisher. I created these workouts so you could scale them to your fitness levels. So they all have 4 blocks of work. Each block is going to be around 6 minutes. And if you're a beginner, you're always just going to do blocks 1 and 2. Intermediates, you do blocks 1, 2, 3. And everybody else, you go the whole way through. The goal here is that if you do just blocks 1 and 2 or blocks 1, 2, 3, the following week, do the same workout and try to do 1 more block. And you don't have to progress every single week, but try to do it at least every other week. This is how you're going to get stronger, build more muscle, burn more calories, and get fitter. So you can start today. All the links are down below in the description. Have fun and let me know how it goes.